Stop. Don't learn SQL yet. Everyone online says start with SQL. But for most beginners, that's the wrong move. You jump into SQL, get confused with joins, queries, and suddenly you feel like data isn't for you. But here's what no one tells you. SQL doesn't teach you how to think about data. Excel does. Filtering, sorting, basic formulas, understanding rows versus columns. That's where real beginners should start. Excel equals foundation. Now SQL comes in when your Excel starts breaking. Big data, thousands, millions of rows. Things Excel just can't handle. Here's the rule you need to remember. If you have small data, then go with Excel. If you have big data, then go with SQL. The fastest way to grow in data? Not choosing one, but learning them in the right order. Start with Excel, then move to SQL. Comment SQL or Excel, and I'll tell you what to learn next.